regardless of age, gender, sexuality, nationality, ethnicity, skin color, height, weight, profession, education, and beliefs. Many countries have laws against discrimination, but it is still a problem in all layers of society in every country of the world. Many countries have and still use discrimination as a way of governing. The symbol for Zero Discrimination Day is the butterfly, widely used by people to share their stories and photos as a way to end discrimination and work towards positive transformation. All right, on to her health matters now. And the Minister of Health, Dr. Osagie Ehanire, has debunked the rumor going around that the coronavirus patients being quarantined escaped, as well as the alleged escape of the driver from the hospital. In an interview on NTA's Weekend File, the minister said the health officials in the country are on top of the situation.
Sensational stories going around. Most of all these stories are not true. Some of them are probably hyped up. But it is best to follow the information coming from official sources. There's no truth in his alleged escape attempt. Not as far as I've been told here. I'm in Lagos presently to see the situation for myself, and there was nothing like that. Yeah, in the first place, you know that this is a new virus. They call it a novel virus, and frantic attempts are going on all over the world by scientists to understand the virus. The genome has been revealed. The genetic sequencing was done long ago. So the question now is to find a vaccine that will take care of it. But one of the requests I had made of the Chinese ambassador when he came to visit is to send us a treatment protocol that they have used, because they have cured several people, I would say some thousands of people they have cured. And they have shared their treatment protocol with us. It is with our Nigeria Center for Disease Control. As you know, Nigeria also participated in the World Health Organization mission to China to take a deeper look, a deep dive into the nature of this coronavirus, and the learnings from there have been very useful. Science is going to use the learnings to develop the further understanding of the virus.
In the meantime, to check the spread of the coronavirus in Nigeria, the Cross River State government is leaving nothing to chance with the enforcement of regular screening of passengers at the airport, seaport, and other entry points into the state. Paul Abel gives us an update.
Airport, Calabar, to screen passengers on arrival, just like the airplane which just arrived from Lagos with some foreign passengers.
We have checked them, their temperature is still low. However, remember there's an incubation period of 14 days, and so we want to be able to follow up on them to be sure that they didn't come in with the COVID-19.
The Cross River State government, in collaboration with the Federal Ministry of Health, World Health Organization, as well as other stakeholders, has already put in place 2 quarantine facilities and other machineries to contain the disease in case it is detected.
Surveillance notification officers were trained by the World Health Organizations on how best they can manage samples and manage suspected cases and deliver them to the isolation center.
The health team also visited the Calabar Port of Nigerian Ports Authority, where the officer in charge of the port health services intimated the team on the procedures taken to ensure passengers on board vessels are properly screened before disembarking. Though land borders are equally given attention, emphasis is placed on airports due to the speed travelers cover within a short time.
From all indications, the state government has put in place the necessary mechanism to ensure that the disease, coronavirus, COVID-19, is prevented. From the Margaret Ekpe International
And the chairman, main organising committee, MOC, for the National Sports Festival and permanent secretary, Ministry of Sports and Youth Development, Gabriel Aduda, has allayed fears that the 20th edition of the National Sports Festival will be postponed due to the record of COVID-19, otherwise known as coronavirus, in the country. The MOC allayed the fears after inspecting the State Infectious Disease Isolation Center mapped out to quarantine suspected infectious disease patients in Benin. Elizabeth Omoko reports that the State Deputy Governor, Philip Shebu, took the committee on the tour of the facility.
The Sports Festival counts down with 11,500 athletes and 5,000 officials expected to participate. The state government is concerned with the health of Nigerians, hence
one of the communities in which the intervention program is going to take place is actually a good one.
Environmental health officers of the Ministry of Environment and their counterparts from Kaduna State and local government levels will carry out the eradication of the rat species that are carriers on the Lassa virus using rodenticides in houses earmarked for the exercise.
The ministry is keen in ensuring that the Nigerian environment is kept clean and tidy for healthful living of the good people of Nigeria, being the most effective tool of preventing diseases, notably infectious and communicable diseases.
Diseases like Lassa fever is one of the emerging and re-emerging diseases. For that purpose, it requires environmental health solution.
The One Health concept is an initiative of the Federal Ministry of Environment aimed at improving health care through synergy of health, agriculture, and environment sectors to prevent outbreak of emerging health issues such as Lassa fever and coronavirus, among others. In Kaduna, I am Suleiman Abdullahi Rigachikun, NTA News.
You are watching the news on NTA International. We'll take a quick break now and we'll be right back. Don't go away.
NTAI has gone mobile. Catch your favorite programs anywhere in the world by going to Play Store on Android and App Store on iOS. Search for Vision TV UK, download and install. Then you're good to go.
Thanks for remaining with NTA International. A bit on sickness information circulating